Alright, so that's another thing that I've talked about the instant it started. Just like the instant they started speeding the jumbo jets up, I noticed. And just like when they started creating the fake exit route over 24191, I noticed. And then the paint jumbo line, I noticed. So when I started talking about the Doppler effect, I noticed. And they do that. They come in and then they rev it really loud on my head and then turn it down as they go away. And they think they're smart and I'm stupid and that they can just sit there and in court, they just use my cell phone against me. And they have really terrible arguments and they say you can't prove it. And I haven't made anything up. The fires, everything's all true. Fire helicopters, everything else. So they're using the Doppler effect now as their excuse. Civilians flying by doing the Doppler effect. That's all that ever happened.